هاي تنزيلة تنكة، هاي ما تستعملوها، هاي مش منيحة. شوف التنزيلة اللي انا بستعملها، بعدها مثل ما هي. كيف الشباب؟ اليوم شو عنا؟ عن هذا السلندر TS 250X رايح ملص محل براغي ميلة الاشابون. هيدا انا عامل وحدة واثنين، هلا الثالثة رح اعملها قدامكم. هلا اول شي بدنا نعمله انه بدنا نجيب السونتراج. انا بركب برغي برمو، بتأكد منه انه جالس، بنزله هيك كيف نزل مرتاح هيك، يعني جاي محله 100%. اهم شي يكون السلندر جالس 90 درجة ومثبت كله.
So much to say and it's a problem. I think this whiskey's convinced me that you're still missing me. I don't think I'm thinking straight, I know it's late, but I just wanna talk to you. Even though these shots burn like the truth, I keep going back, just like going back to you. I don't know why I showed up and told you that I love you. Maybe it's the alcohol talking about the way you were supposed to be. I should've known when you said it was you, not me. Don't know if I'm right or wrong for telling you that I still want you, or maybe it's the alcohol talking. And now you got me all up in my feelings, and I can't help myself because you said that you would be there for me. I'm too deep, man, I hope that I am dreaming, and if so, well, what's the point? What's the meaning of it all? I think this whiskey's convinced me that you're still missing me. I don't think I'm thinking straight, I know it's late, but I just wanna talk to you. Even though these shots burn like the truth, I keep going back, just like going back to you. I don't know why I showed up and told you that I love you. Maybe it's the alcohol talking about the way you were supposed to be. I should've known when you said it was you, not me. Don't know if I'm right or wrong for telling you that I still want you, or maybe it's the alcohol
كيف ما أجمله. واحد اثنين ثلاثة، هاي تنزيلة نحكي فيها.